How to report a problem to Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to contact Instagram support. After you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now all you have to do, tap on this settings and privacy. After you open settings and privacy, scroll all the way to down now, down, and tap on this help section. This help section, tap on it. After you open this help, all you have to do now, tap on this where it says report a problem. After you open this report a problem, make sure you turn off this option. As you can see, turn off this option and tap on this report problem. So tap on this, as you can see now, include and continue. So all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and explain your problem to Instagram. After you finish that, if you want to upload a picture, tap on this, as you can see now, upload button to upload a screenshot from your phone, and tap on this send button. Now you send it to Instagram, so they will use your Instagram mobile number or email address to contact you for your information or for your problem. That's it guys, on how to contact or how to report a problem on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.